Hello friends, myself Dr. Satpal Yadav, working as an assistant professor in Lakshmibai National Institute of Physical Education, Northeast Regional Center, Guwahati. So today my topic is the mechanical analysis of heating. Mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with motion and force. Mechanics क्या है? वो branch, physics का वो branch, mathematics का वो branch जो deal करता है किससे? Motion and force से. और कैसा motion? The execution of any skill or any techniques that comes into play. Analysis. What is analysis? Splitting up in the object movements into the constitution part is said to be analysis. Mechanical analysis is the process of identifying laws and principles of the mechanics or the motions, like in sports. For example, hitting in hockey, hitting in volleyball, hitting in baseball, and so on. So what we will make? We take the difficult skill and make simple. And how we can make it simple? By splitting the techniques into the constitution part. For example, hitting in hockey. Hit. It is the powerful stroke for the long pass or to get score the goal. So what players used to do here? The players used to raise the stick at the back and hit the ball with the swing by holding the hand on that of stick at the top of that stick. So the component of element of hitting the hockey is first position, second stance, third swing. The swing is at the back swing and the forward swing, followed by the follow through. Let's discuss about the component or the element of hitting in hockey. First, position. What the player used to do? He get in a position. He get in that position so that he can generate the power onto the top ball. So the first point is positioning. Second, stance. Why used to stance? It helps to develop the power. So a body position adopt for hitting the ball to pass for the long pass or to attain the aim of goaling. So one of the important part or the consideration here is the placement of the foot. How supposed to be the placement of your foot? The legs remain semi-flexed. Your center of the gravity is close to the back foot. Then it's allowed. Why in the back foot? Because it's allowed to get the forceful hip rotation during the swing. So the next is the swing, the back swing. What is happening in the back swing? The swing in this, the stick is get raised straight back or in a loping style for the power generation. And the velocity of raising the straight back up of that stick, it depends upon the aim at what distance you want to strike or hit the ball, or what is the aim or objective of that particular skill. Next is the forward swing. In this, the swing of that stick head into that of ball, it should be in a sequential manner. How? By extending the arms completely with the help of your hip, with the help of your shoulder, with the help of your arms, with the help of your wrist, and around into the front. Then followed by the follow through. The follow through. What is happening in this? We finish the stroke over the opposite shoulder, right? We has to swing. So the first point is positioning. Second is stance. Third is the swing in that back swing and the forward swing. And the fourth is the follow through. We has to finish the stroke over the opposite shoulder. So we serve here the dual purpose. The first purpose is reducing the risk of injury, and the second purpose is prevent interference with the applied force to the ball. So some of the major factor in speed of a struck ball. What is that? First point is the speed of incoming ball. If the ball is incoming towards you and it gets strike with that of implement, right? So it depends the speed of the ball. Even when the ball is moving out and it has been struck by the implement, that also depends the speed of the struck ball. Even when the ball is on the ground and if you hit with some implement, then also these factors depends the speed of the striking ball. The second point is mass of the ball and the striking implement. What is mass? It is the quantity of the matters present in the object. So the speed of the striking ball is also depends upon the mass of the ball. The ball may be the leather form, the ball may be in the rubber form, ball may be the lawn tennis ball, and so on. The next point is elasticity between the ball and the striking implement. Elasticity, it is the property of the body that cause to return to its original position after getting deformed from the application of the force. The direction of the ball and the implement at impact. What direction that ball is moving, it's depend upon the impact of the implement, right? The direction in which that implement has been struck. So it's depend the direction of the ball. It gives a direction to that ball. The next is the point of impact between the ball and the implement. At what point it has been impacted. If suppose you are striking in volleyball, so you has to go for the top spin if you want to give the ball in such an angle. If you want to give the backspin, then you have to give the pressure on the downside. And if you want your ball has to move in straight line, then you have to apply force at the center of the ball. Mechanical principle of hitting. First point, the direction in which the object get moves, it determines the direction of the force it has been applied. जिस डायरेक्शन में हम फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो उसी डायरेक्शन में वो मूव करेगा. सेकंड पॉइंट, change in momentum. What actually the momentum is? It is the quality of the motion. When it changes, the mass and the velocity get changed in the colliding with the object that relates to the force and the direction of collide. जो चेंजेस हो रहा है वो किस पे रिलेट करेगा? जो फोर्स उसमें अप्लाई हुआ है और जो कोलिजन का ड्यूरेशन है, राइट? So there is no such device which measure the elasticity, but after colliding, the normal range which has been given is 0 to 1. So where 1 is could be the perfect colliding and 0 is the incolliding. The great velocity of approaching ball, when the ball is approaching towards you, that depends great velocity in the opposite direction. The ball moves in a great velocity in the opposite direction as soon it struck or collide with any object. So जिस हिसाब से, जिस तेजी के साथ में, जिस वे से, जिस वेलोसिटी से बॉल आपकी तरफ मूव कर रही है और आपने उसको स्ट्राइक किया या उसको कोलाइड किया विद सम इंस्ट्रूमेंट, विद सम इंप्लीमेंट, एट द सेम ग्रेट वेलोसिटी इट मूव्स इन एन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. The great velocity of striking implement get contacted. The great velocity of the ball will move after getting struck with the implement. The mass of the ball up to a point give the greater velocity after getting contact. Higher the coefficient of elasticity of the ball and the striking implement, greater the speed of the striking ball. Because there is no device, as said, there is no device to measure the elasticity of that ball or any instrument to get measured. So elasticity differs from body to body. The direction taken by the struck ball determines by the 4 factors. What are that? The first one, the direction of striking implement at contact. At what direction that implement has been get contacted? It depends the direction of the ball. Next, the relationship of the striking force to the ball center of the gravity. If you strike the ball at the center of the gravity, the ball get moves in a translatory motion or in a straight line. The third point is the degree of firmful grip, at what distance you have gripped, and the use of your wrist at the time contact. It also depends the direction of the ball has to be get stuck. The last one is the law of rebound. It's depend upon the types of body has been composed of that ball. If suppose it is a tennis ball, then the rebound get more as compared with the leather or some synthetic ball. Introduction to the mechanical analysis in mechanics. Branch of physics deal with motion and force of any skill or technique. Analyzes splitting up the technique or the skill movement into the constitutional part. In sports like hitting in hockey, hitting in volleyball, hitting in baseball, and so on. We take an example of hitting in hockey. Hit. This is the powerful stroke for the long pass or to score the goal. Component of stage of hitting in hockey. Position. Get into the position. Stance. Helps to develop power. Important consideration is the placement of the foot. Leg remains semi-flexed. Center of the gravity remains close to the back to help for the forceful hip rotation during the swing. Backswing. Swing the stick straight back. Forward swing. Swing the stick head into the ball in a sequential manner. Follow through. Finish the stroke over the opposite shoulder. Major factors in speed of that struck ball. Speed of incoming ball and the striking implement. The mass of the ball and the striking implement. Elasticity between the ball and the striking implement. Direction of the ball and the implement at impact. Point of impact between the ball and the implement. Mechanical principle of hitting. The direction in which the object moves is determined by the direction of force applied. Any change in momentum in colliding object is related to the force and the duration of collision. The greater the velocity of the approaching ball, the greater velocity of the ball in opposite direction after it gets struck. The greater the velocity of the striking implement at contact, the greater the velocity of the struck ball. The greater mass of the ball, the greater its velocity after get contact. The greater mass of the striking implement up to a point, the greater the striking force, therefore the greater speed of the ball. The higher the coefficient of elasticity of the ball and the striking implement, greater the speed of the struck ball. The direction taken by the struck ball is determined by four factors. 1. Direction of the striking implement at contact. Relationship of striking force to the ball center of the gravities. Degree of firmness of the grip and the wrist at get contact. And the last, law of rebound. Thank you.